And here's another recipe from my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook, which you can buy anywhere, online, or at your favorite bookseller. You can see I've marked this page, Heavenly Hash Browns, in the breakfast section on page 21. So these I put in a processor. You can grate them as well. Here's 2 cups of raw, grated, or in this case, pureed potato. Here's a half a cup of grated raw onion. Two tablespoons of vegetable oil. A teaspoon of powdered garlic. A teaspoon of paprika. And for my taste, I'm putting in 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And of course some nice ground pepper. Now I'm stirring to mix well. And the potatoes go out on a baking sheet that I've oiled with a tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm popping these potatoes into the toaster oven. Toaster oven's on broil, and I'm setting the timer for 20 minutes. Okay, so I've removed the potatoes, and now I'm just going to turn them around so I can broil the other side. Okay, I'm popping the potatoes back into the toaster oven, and I'm going to broil for another 20 minutes and then check them, because depending on how crispy you like your hash browns, that's how long you should broil them. Another 20 minutes and these are done to my liking. And if you don't like them so brown, you can use less broiling times, exactly the way you like your heavenly hash browns. Great with fried eggs and sausage. What a wonderful breakfast. When I make a batch of these, when I make a large batch of these, I will put some of them in Ziploc bags and stick them in the freezer. On Sunday morning, take them out of the bags, pop them in the toaster oven, toast twice. They taste just like I just made them. Quick and easy. Give them a try.